found in aggravation emotional harm to the victim, which was clearly evident during the course of the trial and was evident again this morning. Physical harm caused to the victim and position of authority. The court affirms those findings of aggravating factors. The court finds in mitigation, Mr. Garcia, your lack of criminal history, the significant family and community support that you have both in the courtroom and through the letters that were submitted to the court, the treatment that you completed while the case has been pending, and your history of public service, but that is counterbalanced with the position of authority and your use of your position of authority in the offense. Under the circumstances, the court finds that probation is available and appropriate. Then it's the judgment of the court suspending imposition of sentence and placing you on probation for a period of 3 years, beginning today's date. Mr. Garcia, I am going to order that you serve 1 year in the Pima County Jail as a condition of your probation with credit for 2 days served. That is going to begin today. No contact with the victim unless approved by your probation officer. 200 hours of community restitution. No possession or consumption of alcoholic beverages. This is going to be on the sex offender caseload. I am ordering that you will register as a sex offender. There is a time payment fee of $20, probation fees of $65. A probation assessment of 20, a crime penalty assessment of 13, a victim's rights enforcement assessment of 2, a victim's rights fund assessment of $9. There is a $250 sex offender registration fee, a $500 sexual assault assessment, a $50 address confidentiality program assessment, Mr. Garcia, you have the right to appeal within 20 days of today's date. You also have the right to petition for post-conviction relief and the right to petition the court to seal the criminal record and restore your civil rights. And you'll be getting more paperwork regarding all of those rights. Good luck to you, Mr. Garcia, and to the victim, good luck to you in the future as well. I don't believe we have any bond to exonerate.
There is no, that's correct, Judge. I'd ask that Mr. Garcia be permitted to self-report, perhaps on a day later this week, rather than today, so that he can make appropriate arrangements for care for his mother.
Well, I appreciate the request, but I am going to order to be taken into custody today.
My next request would be to appoint the Public Defender's Office for purposes of the appeal.
All right, I will permit you to withdraw from further representation. I will appoint the public defender to represent Mr. Garcia for the appeal. Okay, anything else?
No.
Just for my clarity, that's 3 years supervised probation on each count running concurrently?
Correct.
And then is that like a year on both, or just a year on one of those counts?
That's going to be a year, just for clarity's sake, it'll be a year on count one.
Okay.
All right, anything else?
Cool, thank you.
All right.